All right, boys and girls, welcome to September Daily Math, Day 1. Circle the number that is less. So we can go ahead and cross those both out at 300, and you'll see that 28 is less than 45, so circle the number that is less, 328. Number 2, a number plus 9 is 27, so you're probably thinking right away, oh, that's going to be like in the 30s, right? Because there's a plus sign and a 9 and a 27, but that's not the way it goes. This number, think about that. Is that going to be less than or greater than 27? It has to be less because we're going to take a number and then we're going to add 9 to it to get to 27, right? So we're going to count backwards from 27. Ready? 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. I counted back 9, and that is your answer. 18 plus 9 is 27. All right? How you doing so far? 2 for 2? Good. All right, let's count by twos. We start with 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. Before we move on, do you notice what that last digit is on each one of those numbers? Do you see how it goes like 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6? Those are all even numbers, right? Yes, they are. Good job. All right. What numbers are missing? So we start at 834. There's a number, and then 836. Let's see, 34, 30, 835, 836, 837. Well, it looks like it's kind of the same thing here. Oh, look at that. My pencil's bending. 701 is between those two, but we have to go backwards from 700 down 1. So we have to go all the way down to 600. Did you get it? 99. Good job. I saw you. You're doing excellent work. All right. There are 56 third graders at Prairie Ridge Intermediate School. 24 third graders are in Mrs. Mayer's class. The rest of the third graders are in Mr. Monty's class. Hey, we can use our things like that. How many are in his class? So let's circle 56 third graders, and let's circle 24 third graders. Let's underline the rest, okay? How many are in his class? So we had 56, and that's the total, right? If we take away how many are in Mrs. Mayer's class, that's going to leave us how many are in Mr. Monty's class. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Notice I started over here a little bit, right? Because it's not just 32, is it? Who caught that? 32 students or third graders. All right, boys and girls, hope you did great on that. And we will see you next time for day 2.